Hi everybody, I just wanted to record this video for you since we're sadly not together. I know this is going to be a little difficult. I want you to relax. It's going to be okay. You can do this. You're going to write a thank you letter, and I'm going to tell you how. Okay? So first of all, let's talk about the parts of a letter. This is an example that I posted for you on the Google Classroom. So you will see the whole letter together. You can use that as an example when you start writing your own. Please try not to use the words that I used. Put it in your own language. But as you can see, the top part here is the heading. That includes your name and full address, the date that you write the letter, and then full name of the company and full address of the company. And you may include in that the name of the person that you are sending it to if you know that person's name. And then down here at the bottom we have the salutation. If you don't know the person's name, you'll put something like this: Dear Human Resources Department Manager, or Dear Hiring Manager. Typically, those are the types of people who will be hiring, doing the hiring in a company. So you want to put their title if you don't know their name. If you know their name, obviously, put their name. I'm sure they would appreciate it. It's more personalized that way. And then finally, you have the body. That's better. The body text. And then the closing. Always say something nice like sincerely or regards, thank you, something along those lines. And then, of course, your signature, which is your name. I always put an extra little gap in there, as you can see, between the closing and the signature. If you were to print your thank you letter out, you'd want to sign it if you're going to mail it. I want you to practice writing this thank you letter. You're not actually going to mail it, but you are going to print it once we get back into school, which hopefully is pretty soon. I'm really sorry that we're not together. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. All my information, my cell phone number, my email, is up on the Google Classroom, along with the assignments for this week. I'll try and add some other things as I get going so that you have things to do, but I'm sure your other teachers are doing the same. And I'm pretty sure we're sending out packets to kids who don't have their try one and try two work done, so you could get busy with that. I know this is a trying time. I hope that you're able to at least get outside for a little bit. I know we're not allowed to be in places with lots of people, but if you could get to go for a walk in the beautiful sunshine around your neighborhood, that would be great. You need that time. You need to take that time for yourself, but you also need to try and get your work done. We're still trying to figure this out. We haven't deserted you. We are here for you. Um, just remember that, okay? Do your best, write a rough draft and send it to me. I will make comments and help you through it. Once I make the comments, I will email it back to you, and you can make the changes and then submit your final copy. Make sure you have someone else read it over too before you submit it into the assignment. And again, if you have any questions, call me, text me, email me. I'm here for you. Have a great day, everyone. Miss you.